How to download and install PhotoMath app on your Android phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Google Play Store. After you are in the store, tap on the search bar and search for PhotoMath. In the search result, you will see the PhotoMath app appear with this red logo, and in the right hand side you can see the install button. In order to download this app into your phone, you can simply tap on this install button. The download process will now begin. It might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the app is installed on your phone, you will see this open button. You can directly launch this app from here, so tap on open. And there you go. That's how you can easily download the PhotoMath app on your Android phone. You can now create your account and start using this app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.